Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got Motorola Moto G14 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with entering the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Let's tap on it. Now we have to tap on backup. And as you can see, we will be immediately transferred to this whole Google section. We will have to add the Google account. Of course, if you've got your Google account currently added to the device, you can learn how to do it. I'm explaining it in the separate video, so I highly recommend to check it. So if you've got the Google account added to the device, you will be able to pick it from the list, and the backup option will be automatically assigned to the previously added Google account. If not, you really have to do it right now, so simply tap on add account and make sure that you've got the internet connection, because it is basically required for this operation. Here in this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So simply tap on this section, and a quick disclaimer: you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the add symbol, because after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. So here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so you can tap on it and read it, and then tap on I agree. And here we've got the information about the whole backup to the Google One option. So here you can check that you're able to use 15 GB of the Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. And of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will backup the data automatically, stored securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So simply tap on turn on. And here we've got another backup section where we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage or remove some unnecessary files which we do not really need. Here we've got the backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up, and the advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, so you can be sure that you will avoid some charges and paying for the accessing the limit of the internet. So to finish everything, simply tap on backup now, and we've got this information, so we can simply close this section, and our device will back up all of the data in the background. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.